Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson as we continue to look at patterns on a real chart. So we're still on the Sunlab chart and we're trying to look here. It appears here we've got a continuation pattern of a symmetrical triangle. So let's see if we can draw this one. So there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, which is good enough. So let's draw the upward trending line. So there we've got a nice kind of triangle. Let's just see if we can draw it to be an exact replica. So in this case, we are looking at a continuation pattern. So we want to measure the distance of the entry into that triangle. So I'm going to measure from this point up to the top line. So that's 6%. So now I'm going to draw the same line at the point of breakout. So it broke out from this point. So we are going to extend upwards for 6.19%. So there we have it. So we would now say the projected increase would be from this point going upwards, which is at this point. So here you can see that the point was reached within a period of 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 days. So you can see that one can earn 6% return in a period of 3 days, which is great. And that's what you would need to see, especially if you are a small and growing investor. You live for these pattern breaks so that you can quickly harvest something, then you move on to the next opportunity. Now consider someone who would have bought perhaps maybe at this point here. And they held for how many days? This was the 14th of February. Up to this time of breakout, which was the 24th of March, which is almost 1.5 months of waiting, and price is not really going anywhere quickly. So that would be a lot of time sitting and frustrated, watching the market do nothing. But here in this case, you entered at this point, you get to here, you have already probably harvested 60% of your profit. Then you let it run up to this, maybe up to this point. When you see it maybe starting to weaken, then you can sell your position and you preserve your profitability. So let's see if we can find another formation that we can look at. Okay, here it also looks like we have got a triangle, a symmetrical triangle formation. So let's see if we can draw it. Then let's draw the bottom upward sloping line. Somewhere close to that point. So again, we're going to measure the distance. So we take it from there right up to the line. And it gives us about 5.2%. Then we want to measure the same distance from this point of breaking out. So we're looking at 5.2%, which is at this point there. So here you can see that the price reached close to the point, then it started moving back upwards, but finally it managed to reach the full point at that level. So ideally, when you reach this point and you see that it has reached your target level, you would probably need to harvest maybe 60% of your profit. When you get to the full target, then you're looking to take the rest. If you don't do that, then you'd find probably maybe you find price gapping up, then you might end up having to exit all your positions at this point, which would mean you have harvested a smaller profit. So always try to maximize your profitability rather than give yourself room to take less off the table. So that is all for the symmetrical triangle. We are going to continue and look at more videos. Here we can see that the triangle resolved to the downside. So it was a reversal symmetrical triangle at the top. Thank you.